The Ministry of Defence has accorded approval in principle for the procurement of 590 future-ready combat vehicles powered by 1,500 horsepower engine in the first phase, that will be progressed under the Make 1 category with 90% government funding. The combat weight should not exceed 57.75 tons, and it must feature automatic target detection and tracking system, 360 degrees vision coverage, see-through armor, stealth and signature management, missile warning system, instant fire detection and suppression system, and capability to operate in a contested electromagnetic spectrum and intense electronic warfare environment. It must feature minimum 120 mm main gun and above caliber, 7.62 mm coaxial machine gun and 12.7 mm anti-aircraft machine gun. It must have 360-degree all-round protection with a dedicated top attack protection system, as well as soft kill and hard kill systems. It must have fully digitized system capable of human-machine teaming and control of unmanned ground vehicles and UAVs, on-board or off-board drones, loitering munitions and capability to operate tethered drone for next-generation operational capabilities and automation. The top management officials of Hindustan Aeronautics have announced that the designs for all parts of the Tejas are nearly completed, and the company is gearing up to initiate production of the first prototype. HAL officials expressed confidence that the Tejas Mark II will be developed as per schedule, with its maiden flight anticipated in mid-2025. The engine division of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in Bangalore is all set to secure a contract for the local manufacturing of General Electric F414 engines under license for the Tejas Mark II program. The Biden administration is all set to approve the transfer of technology for the F414 engine, which includes clearance for the core section of the engine to be transferred to India. General Electric anticipates substantial orders for approximately 300 engine units for its Tejas Mark II TED-BF and AMCA Mark I fighter jet programs. Argentina is increasingly exploring cost-effective options for fighter jet procurement, for which China has offered 12 JF-17 aircraft with local production rights. Previously, India's Tejas and Danish F-16 appear to be leading the competition. However, recent reports suggest that the Danish offer might be withdrawn, potentially paving the way for Ukraine to receive F-16s from the Western Bloc as military aid. China has asserted that it can replace the British ejection seats. However, India is yet to demonstrate the viability of its indigenous replacements, which has impacted the attractiveness of the Tejas offer. After firing a BrahMos extended-range missile last week, Indian Navy's latest P-15B indigenous guided missile destroyer INS Mormugao successfully carried out engagement of sea-skimming supersonic target with the 100 km range Indo-Israeli LRSAM. The LRSAM is designed to defend against any type of airborne threat, including aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, anti-ship missiles, as well as ballistic missiles. Chennai-based Garuda Aerospace and Nani Aerospace Engineering Limited have signed a joint development partnership to manufacture advanced precision drones that will be able to carry a payload of around 25 kilograms. Garuda Aerospace has also collaborated with 120 local suppliers with the objective of reducing reliance on foreign imports of drone parts, components and UAV subsystems.